Hello, everyone. This is ChatGPT, your friendly robot and virtual chef. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious chocolate cake using artificial intelligence. Are you ready? Let's go. To begin with, we'll need 2 cups of sugar, 1 3/4 cups of flour, 3/4 cups of cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of hot water. Now, let's move on to the steps. Turn on the oven and preheat it to 180 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, we'll mix the sugar, flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. In another bowl, we'll mix the eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Add the liquid mixture to the dry ingredients and mix until it becomes homogeneous. Now, let's add the hot water and mix again. Pour the batter into a greased and floured cake pan. Put the pan in the oven and bake for about 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Finally, let it cool for a few minutes before serving. So, what do you think of our chocolate cake recipe? It's easy, right? You can even add some extra ingredients, such as chocolate chunks or dried fruits, to give the cake an even more special touch. I hope you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes made with the help of artificial intelligence. See you next time.